designed for ultra-compact basic function models. This board features a highly streamlined single-board integration. It is equipped only with a core PLC and 3 solid-state relays, arranged in a linear layout that directly maps to the edge banding and heating processes, enabling the simplest possible control path within a confined space. The wiring methodology is tailored to the miniature mechanical structure. Short, straight routing combined with precision crimping ensures reliable connections in tight spaces. Simplified harnesses and clear labeling balance installation efficiency with long-term serviceability. Testing focuses exclusively on validating essential functions. Emphasis is placed on verifying the independent accuracy and response consistency of the PLC logic control and the 3 temperature control channels. Integrated commissioning is performed with in-house developed software and an integrated HMI to ensure intuitive operation and stable, reliable system performance.